Ever found yourself in a situation where you just needed to completely sever ties with a service? Maybe you've switched to a new payment app, or perhaps you're simply trying to declutter your digital life. Whatever the reason, if you're looking to permanently delete your Venmo account, you've come to the right place. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, it's important to understand a couple of things. Deleting your Venmo account isn't like unsubscribing from a newsletter. It's a permanent action. Once it's gone for good. This means you'll lose your transaction history, and your username will become available for someone else to claim. So, make sure you're absolutely certain about this decision. Alright, with that in mind, let's get started. The process is pretty straightforward, but there are a few crucial steps you must follow to ensure a smooth and successful deletion. First things first, zero out your balance. You can't delete your account if there's even a single cent in it. Transfer any remaining funds to your linked bank account. This can take a few business days, so be patient. If you've got a negative balance, you'll need to pay that off first. Next, you need to unlink everything. This includes any bank accounts, credit cards, or debit cards associated with your Venmo account. Go into your settings, find the payment methods section, and remove each one individually. This is a critical step because Venmo won't let you close your account if there's an active link to your financial institutions. Once your balance is zero and all your payment methods are unlinked, you're ready for the final step. Unfortunately, you can't just delete the account from within the app. You need to contact Venmo's support team directly. The easiest way to do this is by going to their website, finding the Contact Us or Help section, and sending a request to close your account. Be prepared to provide some information to verify your identity, like your username and the last 4 digits of a linked account you previously had. This is for your security, to make sure no one else is trying to delete your account without your permission. After you submit your request, Venmo's support team will review it. If all the requirements are met, zero balance, unlinked accounts, they will process the deletion. You'll receive a confirmation email once the process is complete. And that's it. Your Venmo account will be permanently deleted. So, to recap, empty your balance, unlink your financial accounts, and contact Venmo support to request the deletion. It's a simple process, but you have to do it in the right order. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.